Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time we are installing a nice full GPS navigation system based on Android 13 on a Toyota Rav4 made in 2014. This system is compatible with all the models fabricated from 2013 to 2018, and if you will order this product in the box you will get a nice installation tutorial. Everything you need to know about each and every cable is printed right there. Then you have a full instructions manual and of course the navigation itself, which comes with a bunch of useful features like 4G support, Wi-Fi, wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, 6 gigs of RAM, a QLED display which has a diagonal of 10.2 inch, and of course many more features that we will talk about after we install the device. Also in the package you get some plastic parts that you will be needed for fixing the navigation system, a removal tool, and of course all the cables necessary for the conversion. All the installation is very simple, everything is plug and play, and what's most important, all the original car features remain: steering wheel controls, rear view camera, multi-view camera if you have a model that has it, climate informations, and many more. That's it with the unboxing. Right now let's go over to the installation, which is very simple. On this model we have to remove the upper part, then we have access to the upper screws. We also have to take down the air vents, the left and right air vents, and we have to remove the lower screws as well. The original navigation is held in place by these screws because it's very big and a little bit heavy. After we removed the navigation and unplugged all the cables, all we have to do is figure out how to get the USB ports in the glove box compartment. Also the 4G support should be taken in the glove box compartment, and we can install the Wi-Fi antenna, the GPS module, the cables needed for the cams. Everything you need is in the package, and you should know that some cables will not be used. In the package we have cables for aftermarket stereo systems with subwoofers and so on. And after we connected the USB ports, the aux port if needed, all we have to do is connect all the conversion cables, the ones that include the CAN bus. After all the cables are connected, next step is to properly check if all the functions work as expected before we finally install the navigation system. As you can see, we choose to install the GPS module and the Wi-Fi module as well into the dashboard. That's because this navigation box is very small, it's light, and we have all the space we need in order to install these devices inside the dashboard. As you can see, we have an Android 13 navigation system which comes with all the apps. We have Gmail, Play Store, Google Chrome, YouTube, and so on. First we tested out the Android Auto connection. Works using the Z-Link app, and all we have to do is connect via Bluetooth on our phone, in this case the owner's phone, and after a few seconds we have the Android Auto and all the apps in this ecosystem. So with the Android Auto we can use Waze, we can use Google Maps and so on, but you should know that most of the apps are limited. That's because the Android Auto works with safety features in mind. Besides that, this nav system comes with inclinometer, which is very useful for those of you who are going off-roading. Then we have the GPS app. This app will work even if we don't have the nav system connected to the internet via the smartphone. And as I said, we have all the climate controls informations directly on the screen. Then we tested out the second way you can connect to your phone using the Wi-Fi connection and the hotspot. This way you will get full internet connection on the nav system, and you can watch videos on YouTube, movies on Netflix, listen to Spotify, and even navigate the internet with Google Chrome. One important feature, the rear view camera, has moving lines for the tires, a far better improvement compared to the old system. Once we tested all the features and functions, we proceeded to the final installation using the plastic parts and the screws in the box. We need to use the yellow clips from the original navigation so everything will fit in place. Next step is to remove the air vents from the old air vents caps and fix it on the newer ones, which are on the left and on the right side of the display. Once we do this, we can fix the display on its final position, and the last step is to fix the watch module and the long piece on top. Keep in mind that in order to fit everything in place, you have to fit the upper part of the longer ornament and the lower part under the upper part of the display. Once you find the right position, everything will fit perfectly with the dashboard, and the first thing you will say is that this must be an original navigation system made for Toyota Rav4. Lastly, we also tried the USB ports using a USB drive that had music on it. Once you connect in USB drive, the music will start automatically, and if you have some movies, you can also watch movies using a video player that you can download from the Google Play Store. No matter the car model you want a dedicated navigation system, the installation shouldn't take more than 2 hours. In our case, it took around 2 hours, and the installation notes are very useful. Yeah, so this is the 10.2 QLED navigation from dasaita.com, installed on a Toyota Rav4 made in 2014. On the site you can find various nav system for various car models, car manufacturers, and also you can get Android systems for Toyota Rav4 that are fabricated after 2018. I really like this nav system. I really like how everything works. Everything is very smooth due to the 6 gigs of RAM, and I really like how everything fits in place, being dedicated for a certain car model. So if you want a nav system for Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mitsubishi, Mazda, Suzuki, Subaru, Volkswagen, Opel, Jeep, Fiat, BMW, and so on, be sure to check out the website dasaita.com, and if you order this device or any other device, be sure to use the discount code DCT2025. This code is available for the dasaita.com site, but you can also buy this product and many more from the Amazon link, which is also in the video description. If you have other questions and you need other info, be sure to write me in the comment section. And until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.